Hello students, the topic is job analysis from the subject advertisements and sales management. Now what is job analysis? It is the formal and detailed examination of jobs. It is a procedure through which we determine the duties and skills requirement of a job and the kind of person who should be hired for it. It includes job description and job specification. So there are two parts, job description and job specification of job analysis. Now, what is job description? A list of jobs, duties, responsibilities, reporting, relationship, working conditions, and supervisory responsibilities. One product of job analysis. The second one is job specification, a list of jobs, human requirements, that is, the requisite education, skills, personalities, and so on. This is the another product of job analysis. Now, job specification. Job specification require three elements, that is knowledge, skills, and attitude. Knowledge includes education, certifications, training, and experience. Skills, it may be technical skills, it may be relating to English, it may be relating to computers. Attitude includes, it may be personal traits, motivation, or how the person work under pressure. Now, the information can be collected for the job analysis by job context, human requirements, work activities, human behavior, machines, tools, equipments, and work aids. Performance standards are settled. Now, what are the uses of job analysis? First is recruitment and selection. Job analysis provide information about the job details and what human characteristics are required in order to perform. So this information in the form of job description and specification helps the management officials decide what sort of people they need to recruit and hire and select. Compensation. Job analysis information is crucial for estimating the value of each job and its appropriate compensation. Compensation, that is salary and bonus, usually depends upon the job's required skill and education level, safety hazards, degree of responsibility, etc. All factors which can be assessed through job analysis. Also, many employers group jobs into classes. Job analysis provides the information to determine the relative worth of each job and its appropriate class. Next is performance appraisal. A performance appraisal compares each employee's actual performance with his or her performance standards. Managers use job analysis to determine the job's specific activities and performance standards. Training. The job description should show the activities and skills and therefore training that the job requires. Now, next is what are the sources of job analysis information? Job analyst who analyze the job, employees, supervisory, subject matter experts, and combined sources. Now, what is the process of job analysis? Decide how you will use the information, that is, the purpose of data to be collected. Review relevant background information. Select representative positions. Actually analyze the job. Verify the job analysis information and then develop a job description and job specification. Decide how you will use the information. Decide the purpose of data to be collected and how the information will be used, because that will determine what data will be collected and how it should be collected. Now, methods of collecting job analysis information. It can be collected by interviews, questionnaires, observation, or by diaries. Review relevant background information through the following: checking the organization charts, that is, how the job is connected to other positions and where it is located in the overall company. Making communication with other job analysts, reviewing existing job descriptions, reviewing training manuals, reviewing procedure and policy manuals. Selecting representative positions. Analyzing all jobs at a time is complex and costly, so representative sample of jobs is selected for the purpose of detailed analysis. Under this, the job analyst investigates to determine which organization managers or employees require job analysis. He should also determine for what purpose the job must be analyzed. Also select representative position to analyze because there may be many similar jobs and it may not be necessary to analyze all of them. Actually analyze the job. Analyze the job by collecting data on job activities, required employee behavior, working conditions, and human traits and abilities needed to perform the job. Verify the job analysis information. Verify the job analysis information with job incumbents and supervisors to confirm that it is factual, correct, and complete. Develop a job description and job specification. Through this, we develop a job description and job specification from the information. Increasingly, these steps are being streamlined through the use of collaborative software. Thank you.